National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Huron County, eastern Richland County, southwestern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Ashland County, Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County, western Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, Knox County, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles north of Vermilion to near Chesterville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Mansfield, Medina, Worcester, Ashland, Mount Vernon, western Vermilion, Millersburg, Parma, Lakewood, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, and Wadsworth. Wind advisory remains.